My name is Jordan Bach. I'm the supervisor here at RapidLink Repairs. My top priority for our events has to be vendor choice. The right vendor will make or break an event. Getting the right vendor means the technician will provide a reasonable ETA, they'll bring the right equipment or parts needed, and most importantly, they'll get the job done with the highest quality possible. Using our large network of contracted vendors, we are able to ensure that our events are taken care of by the best choice possible. So I put together a schedule for our team that keeps us on track and efficient. We've got the best coordinators checking on events, including constant monitoring of driver events and going through a dwell report to make sure that bigger jobs stay on task. We are constantly adding vendors to our contracted network across the country to ensure that no matter where our customers have downed equipment, we are going to be there for them. Our team of coordinators are there for our customers every step of the way as we are constantly training and adapting to this ever-changing field. I'm motivated the most by customer satisfaction. There's nothing better than hearing about how easy and efficient it is to work with RapidLink Repairs. I recently had a conversation with a customer who was upset about a recent repair that was being done, but by the end of the conversation, she was telling me about how happy she's been with our services and how she prefers us over the competition.